Hallelujah, 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 praise ye the Lord. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. Esther did not wash this plate, for God's sake. Esther! Oh, what would I cook for my husband now? What can I cook? What can I cook for my husband now? What do we have? Oh my God! What is this? Esther! This girl, this. Let your daddy come back. Let your daddy come back. This plate, you have broken it. Do you know when I bought this plate? Let your daddy come back. He will come and meet it here. This is me and this girl in this house. Can you imagine? Plate you did not wash. You came here to break the one that I already have here. No problem.